Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic that comes under forms of business organization, and the name of the next topic is company or joint stock company. Right, students? Earlier we have studied that there were 5 types of business organization. We have studied sole proprietorship, we have studied joint into family business, we have studied partnership, we have studied cooperative society, and today we are going to discuss company. Right, students? Company. It is the biggest form of business organization. इससे बेटा बड़ा बिजनेस नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज सपोज टू बी द बिगेस्ट बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अ कंपनी इज एन आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन created by law, having a separate legal existence, perpetual succession, and a common seal. I repeat, a company is an artificial person created by law, having a separate legal existence, perpetual succession, and a common seal. The registration of a company is compulsory under the Companies Act 2013. Indian Companies Act 2013, the registration is compulsory. The liability of the members who are working in the company or who formed to join a company is limited to the extent of the capital contributed by them. Right, students? किसी मेंबर की डेथ से, इंसॉल्वेंसी से, बैंक्रप्सी से कंपनी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बिकॉज कंपनी इज एन आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन क्रिएटेड बाय लॉ. Death, insolvency, or incapacity of any member of the company does not affect the working of the company. We can say in commerce, members may come or members may go, but the company goes on forever. There are 3 types of companies, students: private company, public company, and one person company. Yes, there is another third type of company that is known as one person company. It means a single person can start is business in company form. One person company we will discuss in the next session. Today we are going to discuss what do you mean by the term company, what are its features, and what do you mean by private company and public company. I hope this is very much clear to you, students. So let's start today's topic. So today's topic is company or joint stock company. So company or joint stock company. A company is an artificial person having a separate legal existence, perpetual succession, and a common seal. Right, students? The shareholders, who are the owners of the company? Shareholders are the owners of the company. Right, students? Who are the owners of the company? Shareholders are the owners of the company. Who can control the management of the company? Shareholders can appoint board of directors who can control or operate the company's business. Right, students? So the entire management and control of the business here means company, lies in the hands of board of directors elected by shareholders. Right, students? So I hope it is very much clear to you. So let's start again. A company is an artificial person having a separate legal existence, perpetual succession, and a common seal. The shareholders are the owners of the company. The entire management and control of the business lies in the hands of board of directors elected by shareholders. Right, students? This is supposed to be the biggest form of business organization. Biggest form of business organization that is known as company. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Company का concept बेटा students clear हो गया होगा. Right, students? So let's discuss the features of a company one by one. Right, students? So the very first feature of a company or a joint stock company is artificial person. Right, student? It is an artificial person created by law. Right, students? It is an artificial person created by law. ये बेटा अपने आप से केस कर सकता है, केस लड़ सकता है. Right, students? So it is an artificial person created by law. Its operations are performed by elected representative of members known as directors, although business is run in the name of the company. As I told you earlier, who are the owners of the company? Shareholders are the owners of the company. So shareholders can appoint board of directors, right, and other important persons who run the business of a company, who manage the affairs of the company, who run the accounts of the company. Right, students? और उसके बाद बेटा जी कंपनी अपने नाम से चलती है. Company can start in its own name, right? A company can enter into any contract. Company can be sued and be sued. Company can purchase or sell property assets in its own name, right? So the very first is artificial person. It is an artificial person created by law. Of course, registration is compulsory in company. Right, students? Without registration, company cannot start. Whether it is a private company or a public company or a one-person company, registration is compulsory, and registration can be done through ROC, Registrar of Companies, under the Companies Act 2013. Its operations are performed by the elected representative of members known as directors. Although business is run in the name of the company. वो डायरेक्टर्स होंगे, वो उस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स होंगे जो कंपनी के लिए काम करेंगे, कंपनी के बिजनेस में हेल्प करेंगे, कंपनी के बिजनेस को सर्कुलेट करेंगे. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? तो आई होप द वेरी फर्स्ट फीचर इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू. ऑफ कोर्स स्टूडेंट, कंपनी इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर 12th क्लास ऑल्सो. इन 12th क्लास अकाउंटेंसी you have numerical based on the topic company. As I told you earlier, there are two important topics. The very first is partnership and the another one is company. In 12th class you are having these two chapters and उसमें numericals होंगे. So बेटा theory part अभी आप strong कर लेंगे तो आपका numerical part 12th में automatically strong हो जाएगा. Now come to the second subheading, second features of a joint stock company, separate legal existence. Right students? It has a separate legal entity different from its members. किसी भी मेंबर के आने से, जाने से, किसी मेंबर की डेथ से, इनकैपेसिटी से, बैंकरप्सी से कंपनी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Once a company is formed, the winding up of a company is also a legal process. Company can form through a legal process and company can wind up or closure through the legal process. Right students? So separate legal existence. It has got the separate legal existence working separate from its members. Right students? So it has a separate legal entity. A company can carry on business in its own name. It can buy and sell assets in its own name. It can enter into contracts with outsiders in its own name. Sale and purchase of assets comes into a contract. Opening a bank account, right? किसी के ऊपर केस करना है तो कंपनी अपने नाम से कर सकती है. Right students? I hope second feature is very much clear to you. Now the third, registration. Students, as I told you earlier, the third feature is registration. Registration is compulsory, right students? So it is legally compulsory for a company to get itself registered as per Indian Companies Act 2013, right students? And it involves a submission of several documents, and it's a lengthy process and costly process also, because this is supposed to be the biggest business organization among all the 5 types of business organization. Right students? So formation of a company is a lengthy and costly process, and of course the closure of a company or the winding up of the company is also a lengthy process. Right students? And who can register the company? Registrar of Companies. Students, there are 3 stages in the formation of a company. The very first is promotion, second one is incorporation, third one is capital subscription stage and commencement of business. Right students? So all the 3 stages has to be passed for the formation of a company. Right students? Registration. It is legally compulsory for a company to get itself registered as per the Indian Companies Act 2013. It involves submission of several necessary documents with the ROC. ROC means Registrar of Companies, and fulfillment of various legal formalities. And various legal formalities are there. I hope third one is clear to you. Now come to fourth one, perpetual succession. Right student? Perpetual succession means a company can be created by law and can wind up by the law. Death, insolvency, incapacity of any partner does not affect the working of the company. I can say members may come, members may go, but the company goes on forever. So perpetual succession. A company is created by law and only law can bring an end to its existence. A company is created by law and only law can bring its existence end. The death, insolvency or incapacity of any member does not affect the existence of a company. Members may come or members may go, but the company goes on forever. Right, students? I hope perpetual succession is very much clear to you. Now come to the fifth features of a company or joint stock company, that is known as common seal. Of course, so student, as I told you earlier, जो कंपनी के मेंबर्स होते हैं, कंपनी के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, दे रन द कंपनी, दे मैनेज द अकाउंट्स ऑफ द कंपनी, दे मैनेज द कंपनीज अफेयर्स ऑफ द बिजनेस. बट एक कॉमन सील होती है जिसको हम सील बोलते हैं, कंपनी की स्टैंप होती है, वो कंपनी के हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट में लगानी जरूरी होती है बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स और बाय द मेंबर्स ऑफ द कंपनी. Right, students? Because a company can enter into a contract, a company can run it by its own name. Members of board of directors just help the company to run it. Right, students? Without stamp, any document is not a legal document in a company's business. I hope this is very much clear to you. The companies, right, students, being an artificial person, cannot act and sign itself. Being an artificial person, a company cannot act or sign itself, right, students? So it acts through human beings known as board of directors, BODs, board of directors. The common seal is an official signature of a company. Any document which does not have the common seal of the company is not binding on the company. ईच एंड एवरी डॉक्यूमेंट पर जितनी भी रिसिप्ट्स होती हैं, पेमेंट्स होती हैं, जितने भी वाउचर्स होते हैं, उन सब पर कंपनी की मोहर होती है, कंपनी की सील होती है, जो कि मेंबर्स को और बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को स्टूडेंट्स लगानी पड़ती है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ओनली दैट इन दैट वे कंपनी का वो डॉक्यूमेंट लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट माना जाता है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज लायबिलिटी. ऑफ कोर्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, द लायबिलिटी ऑफ अ मेंबर्स इज लिमिटेड टू द अमाउंट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड in the company. Let's take an example, student. एक पर्सन है, एक्स पर्सन है, उसने कंपनी के 3000 शेयर्स खरीदे हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? और एक शेयर 10 रुपीज का है. 3000 शेयर एंड द रेट ऑफ ईच शेयर इज ₹10. तो शेयर कैपिटल कितनी की हुई? 3000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, दैट इज नोन एज 30,000. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? उसने 10 रुपीज में से 8 रुपीज पे कर दिए हैं, 2 रुपीज पे नहीं करे हैं. तो 3000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8, दैट मेक्स टू 324. 24,000 रुपीज उसने शेयर कैपिटल के थ्रू पे कर दिए हैं और शेयर उसके पास आ गए हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? अभी कितने के लिए उसने अनपेड है? 2 रुपीज इज स्टिल अनपेड. 2 रुपीज इज स्टिल अनपेड बिकॉज 8 रुपीज उसने पे कर दिए हैं फॉर 3000 शेयर्स. 2 रुपीज इज स्टिल अनपेड. तो लायबिलिटी, जो लायबिलिटी उस मेंबर की है, वो केवल 2 रुपए की है. एंड द अमाउंट इज, अगर हम अमाउंट से मल्टीप्लाई करें, 3000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 6,000 रुपीज. तो दैट एक्स पर्सन की जो लायबिलिटी है वो सिर्फ 6,000 रुपीज के लिए है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नॉट मोर देन दैट, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो दैट कम्स अंडर लायबिलिटी. सो द लायबिलिटी ऑफ अ मेंबर in a company is limited to the extent of shares contributed by him, to the extent of share capital contributed by him. Like बेटा एक्स पर्सन है, 3000 शेयर्स हैं, 10 रुपीज का एक है, उसने 3000 शेयर्स के लिए 8 रुपीज पे अप कर दिए हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? तो उतना अमाउंट उसने पे अप कर दिया, तो वो कितने अमाउंट के लिए लायबल होगा? 3000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, उसने 10 रुपीज पेड अप कर दिए, 2 रुपीज अनपेड है, तो वो 2 रुपीज के लिए लायबल है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू. सो कम टू द लायबिलिटी. The liability of the members is limited to the extent of the capital contributed by them in a company. In case of losses, the members are held liable only to the extent of unpaid amount of the shares held by him. Unpaid amount of the share held by him. कितना अमाउंट था बेटा अभी एक्स का? अनपेड 2 रुपीज था, वो 2 रुपीज के लिए ही लायबल है फॉर ईच शेयर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नॉट मोर देन दैट. So I hope the liability is very much clear to you. Transferability of shares, 7th feature. Of course, student, that is very much important. Right, students? Transferability of share is there. Right, students? शेयर को आप आसानी से ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, ओनरशिप आसानी से ट्रांसफर हो सकती है. अ पर्सन कैन सेल इट्स शेयर टू अनदर पर्सन एंड कैन विड्रॉ हिज ओनरशिप बाय सेलिंग द शेयर्स टू अनदर पर्सन. राइट? सो ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी ऑफ शेयर इज देयर. राइट? एक्स कंपनी ने, एक्स पर्सन ने उस कंपनी के एक कंपनी के शेयर्स खरीदे, अपने पास रखे थोड़े टाइम के लिए, और he gets dividend in return from the profit. Right, student? And now that person sell to Y person. So transferability can be shared, ownership can be shared. अब Y person को उसमें shares बेच दिए, अब Y person is the owner of the shares of that company, right? So transferability is there. Transferability of shares, right students? So let's discuss the transferability of shares. इसमें बेटा transferability of shares में इसमें लिखा हुआ है the capital of a company is divided into shares. The share of a company are freely transferable by its member. A shareholder is free to withdraw his membership from the company by selling its shares. Right students? So transferability of share is there. एक शेयर होल्डर कंपनी के शेयर्स बेचकर, राइट स्टूडेंट, पैसा ले सकता है और जिसको बेचे गए हैं वो ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी ऑफ शेयर्स हो जाते हैं और पहले वो ओनर था, नाउ द जिसको शेयर्स बेचे गए हैं वो ओनर बन जाएगा. सेपरेशन of ownership and control. There must be a separation of ownership and control is there, students. I already told you earlier. Separation of ownership and control. The shareholders or members elected their representatives called directors. Who are the owners of the company? Shareholders are the owners of the company. They elected and represent the directors or the members of the company who run the company. Who manages and control the affairs of the company on behalf of the members by appointing professional experts. Ownership and management are separated. I hope all the 8 features are very much clear to you. So these are the features of a company, and this is the meaning of a company. It is the biggest business organization. इससे बड़ा business नहीं हो सकता है students. Now let's come to the another part. There are 3 types of companies: private company, public company, and one person company. One person company we will discuss in the next session. So in this session we have to discuss private company and public company, right students? So we have to discuss in the differentiate form. Number of members: private company minimum 2 members are required and maximum 200 members are required. In a private company minimum 2 members and maximum 200 members. In a public company minimum 7 members are required and maximum no limit. मैक्सिमम नो लिमिट. कितने भी पर्सन्स हो सकते हैं, कितने भी शेयर होल्डर्स हो सकते हैं, कितने भी ओनर हो सकते हैं पब्लिक कंपनी के अंदर. देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. सो मिनिमम 7, मैक्सिमम नो लिमिट. सेकंड, नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. इन अ प्राइवेट कंपनी मिनिमम 2 डायरेक्टर्स आर देयर, राइट? इन अ पब्लिक कंपनी मिनिमम 3 डायरेक्टर्स, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? मिनिमम पेड अप कैपिटल इन अ प्राइवेट कंपनी रुपीज 1 lakh. In a public company, rupees 5 lakh. Index of members. Index of members means list of the members. Private company, not mandatory. It is not necessary to maintain the index of the members in a private company. But in a public company, it is mandatory. It is mandatory to make the list of the members of the company. Transfer of shares. As I told you earlier, in a private company, transfer of shares is not allowed. In a public company, it can transfer its shares. Are allowed to transfer its shares to another one. क्योंकि बेटा प्राइवेट कंपनी कैन नॉट इशू इट्स शेयर्स इन द पब्लिक, जबकि पब्लिक कंपनी कैन इशू इट्स शेयर्स इन द पब्लिक. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइवेट कंपनी एंड पब्लिक कंपनी इज दैट प्राइवेट कंपनी डज नॉट इशू शेयर्स, पब्लिक कंपनी कैन इशू इट्स शेयर्स. सर, कैन अ प्राइवेट कंपनी बिकम्स अ पब्लिक कंपनी? यस, अ प्राइवेट कंपनी कैन बिकम अ पब्लिक कंपनी आफ्टर registration and fulfilling the necessary formalities by ROC, Registrar of Companies. Invitation to the public. Of course, as I told you earlier, shares private company issue नहीं कर सकती है, तो it cannot invite general public to subscribe to its shares. It cannot invite. It can invite general public to subscribe to its shares and debentures. नेम बेटा प्राइवेट कंपनी लिखा होगा, नाम के आगे कंपनी नेम के एंड में प्राइवेट कंपनी और प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. इट इज नेसेसरी टू मेंशन at the end of the name of the company कि whether it is a public और private. हमें किस तरीके से एक सामने वाले को डिस्टिंग्विश होगा, किस तरीके से पता लगेगा? एक प्राइवेट कंपनी के नेम के एंड में लिखा होगा पीवीटी लिमिटेड और प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. पब्लिक कंपनी के एंड में लिखा होगा पब्लिक लिमिटेड और लिमिटेड, राइट? नेम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और पीवीटी लिमिटेड, और बेटा इसके अंदर वर्ड पब्लिक लिमिटेड आफ्टर द कंपनीज में. प्रोस्पेक्टस. Not required to issue a prospectus. A private company cannot issue prospectus. Public company. A public company can issue its prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus is also required. loan to the directors, right students, loan to the directors, can grant loan to its directors without the approval of central government. No problem. Can grant loan to its director without the approval of the central government. Without the approval of central government, a private company के directors loan ले सकते हैं. लेकिन in case of a public company, cannot grant loan to its directors without the approval of central government. Central government की permission के बिना private public company के directors loan नहीं ले सकते. Of course, with the permission of central government, the directors of a public company can raise loans. So I hope the difference is very much clear to you. So let's go through the difference again in a revision format. Students, there are three types of company: private company, public company, or one-person company. Right, student? One-person company, I will explain it to you in the next video. So what do you mean by the term private company and public company? The major difference between private company and public company is that private company cannot issue its shares, public company can issue its shares. Of course, private company can become a public company. Right, students, after fulfilling the necessary formalities through ROC, that is known as Registrar of Companies. The very first is number of members, minimum 2, maximum 200 members. Public company, minimum 7, maximum no limit. Number of directors, minimum 2 directors are required in private company. Minimum 3 directors are required in public company. Minimum paid up capital, rupees 1 lakh, rupees 5 lakh. Index of member, not mandatory. Public company, it is mandatory. Transfer of shares, not allowed to transfer its shares, are allowed to transfer their shares. Right, students? A private company जब शेयर इशू नहीं करती है तो transfer of shares is not possible, but a public company can transfer its shares. Right, students? A person purchase the shares of that company, right, students, and receive the dividend, and whenever he feels, he can sell it to the next person. The ownership withdraws to that person and comes to the next person. Right, students? Name: private limited as or private limited, word public limited after its name. Prospects: not required to issue a prospect, issue prospectus or statement in your prospectus. Right, student? प्रोस्पेक्टस क्या होता है बेटा? एक नोटिस, सर्कुलर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है जिसमें कंपनी के बारे में सारी चीजें लिखी होती है. लोन टू डायरेक्टर्स, कैन ग्रांट लोन टू इट्स डायरेक्टर्स विदाउट द अप्रूवल ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, कैन नॉट ग्रांट लोन टू इट्स डायरेक्टर्स विदाउट द अप्रूवल ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे विदाउट द अप्रूवल ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, ये लोन ले सकते हैं, ये लोन नहीं ले सकते हैं. इनको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं, इनको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन की जरूरत होती है लोन लेने के लिए. आई होप all the things are very much clear to you. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Student, this is supposed to be the very important topic. Right, students? Learn it, and I will give you the notes also. If you find